Neptune is called Varun according to Vedic scriptures. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system and placed in the eighth position from the Sun. Due to its distance from Earth, it is impossible to spot this planet via a normal telescope. It is a mixture of ice and gas and is 17 times bigger than Earth. Neptune was discovered in the year 1864 and holds the power of intuition. Neptune is a very splendid and striking planet that has the reputation of holding deception and idealism. It is a planet that leads to a lot of misconceptions and lies, just as it is in the command of faith and trust. The meaning as well as the role of this planet changes from time with the changing pattern of the solar system. Neptune keeps shifting from being the last planet to being the second last. This brings in a variety of differences in the effects of this planet's influence on a person's life. Neptune, when seated in the first, third, fifth, eighth, ninth, or 12th house of somebody's horoscope, makes the person very intuitive, gives great success, popularity, and takes them to new heights in personal and professional life. The person who has an influence on Neptune will always shine bright in the limelight. Just like Uranus, Neptune is also responsible for triggering life-changing events and developments in one's life. If one wants to embrace the existence of this planet in their charts, he or she will have to also accept all the cloudy, unstable, scared, fragile properties that come with it. The planet brings in fragility in emotions, and when one's ruling planet gets in touch with Neptune, it is sure to be called a roller coaster ride for the person. The person starts to experience all kinds of insecurities and gets scared of the rough and cruel world around him. Neptune, also known as Varun, can be recognized as the illusion that we base our path on, including the difficulties and the success that comes with choosing it. Varun is the Vedic deity popularly known as the god of oceans. Pasha, Varunastra, and Gandiv are his weapons, and Makar, or crocodile, is his vehicle. He takes abode in Jal Lok, which is the ocean. He is the son of sage Kashyap and Aditi. He is considered to be the father of Rishi Vashishta along with Varuni, Vandi, and Sushena. Vashishta is one of the Sapta Rishis who are known to maintain the orderly balance in the world and create a world from scratch when needed. The mention of Varun is found in Jainism as well as Buddhist mythology along with Hinduism. Varun is associated not just with the seas or oceans but also with the sky, truth, and justice. The mention of Varun's name is very prominently seen in many olden scriptures. In Taittiriya Upanishad, Varun, who is addressed as Varuni, did the task of explaining Brahman to sage Bhrigu. He spoke to him on the importance of introspection. This is where we can see the aspect of self-realization being associated with the planet Neptune's qualities. Varun had to play a very crucial role in the epic Ramayana. When Ram had to cross the ocean to rescue his dear wife Sita, he tried all the methods to cross this huge water body, which stood between him and Lanka. He tried to request Varun, but there was no response whatsoever. Ram then decided to shoot an arrow and dry up the entire sea. Ram shot his arrow, which resulted in flames in the entire sea. Varun appeared in front of Ram. He bowed down and explained to him that he himself cannot change the nature, structure, and behavior of the sea. After careful discussions, they found the solution of building a bridge, and Varun bid them goodbye with a promise that he will not bother them or their army while they are crossing the bridge. Some sources also mention that it was Samudra who met Ram, but the incident happening with Varun is also mentioned in the literature. It represents the aura and spirit that surrounds a person. One needs to dig deeper into his consciousness and accept the fact that it takes a deliberate effort to understand the character and presence of this planet. It is often seen as the supporter and encourager of talent, the gentle feel of humankind in living beings, and a door to unleashing possibilities that are beyond any man's belief. Hence, it is deep and permeating. Varun is the indicator of thought, creativity, research, financial, stock, and business related work, and represents the possibilities of using inner self awakening for achieving greater things in life. It is magical to think of the limitless benefits of Neptune on our lives. It shows there is something beyond this world that you see, hear, feel, or perceive every single day. It is the window that might open to realities unknown to the men. The only way to believe and make this into a reality is to unleash the true powers of your own self. One needs to recognize his talent, his own capabilities, and bring his past life rewards to better his future.